A 5-digit number is to be formed using 5 different numbers selected from 1 until 9. No digit may be used more than once in any 5-digit number. How many 5-digit numbers can be formed? Its permutation 9p5 is equal to 15,120. Next, how many of these 5-digit numbers are greater than 50,000 and even? Okay, here's the scenarios. Five-digit numbers. Let's say we have 5 slots. If the first slot are put by either 5 or 7 or 9, because greater than 50,000, the last slots must be put by either 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 3 possibility numbers can be put in the first slot, while there are 4 with the same concept. Now, how many possibilities can be put in between? Here's the logic. One number is taken to be put in the first slot. And also the same thing, one number is taken to be put in the last slot. So there are 7 remaining numbers to be put in the 3 slots. So I put 7p3. And the calculation will be 3 times 7p3 times 4 is equal to 2,520. The second scenario. If I put number 6 in the first slot, the last slot either 2, 4, 8. So there are 3 possibilities in the last slot. And now, if one is taken to be put in the first slot and another one is taken to be put in the last slot, the remaining numbers are 7 to be put in the 3 slots. The calculation is 1 times 7p3 times 3. And this situation is exactly the same if I put 8 in the first slot and either 2 or 4 or 6 in the last slot. So my calculation, I can just multiply this by 2, and the result is 1,260. Finally, the number of ways in this case, I add them together, and the final answer is 3,780 ways. Part B. A team of 9 people is to be chosen from 6 doctors, 4 dentists, and 2 nurses. Find how many possible teams include at least 2 doctors, at least 2 dentists, and at least 2 nurses. So I start from nurses, combine with dentists, and combine with doctors. Okay, with the situation, this is the hint actually. Only available 2 nurses, so I start from 2 nurses to be put in a team. And the dentist could be 2 dentists, while doctors are 5. So the total become 9. And the second one, same 2 nurses, and now the dentists are 3, doctors are 4. The total still 9. Next, the nurse still 2, the dentist is 4, and the doctors now is only 3. Total still 9. And here's the calculation. If I have 2 nurses and selected 2 nurses, it's 2C2, and 2 dentists, from 4 dentists available, 4C2 times 6C5 is equal to 36. Second one, 2C2 times 4C3 times 6C4 is equal to 60. The last one, 2C2 times 4C4 times 6C3 is equal to 20. And the final answer is equal to 116.